I need a bit of black dick. I need that black dick all up inside my veins.
What the fuck is that?
Bitch, you know you gonna lose. I got one question for you.
Where have your tits gone?
Bitches 8 feet, but you can't run. Oh no. But I think I'm about done.
Being nice to you.
Bitch, you know you gonna lose. I got one question for you.
Where have your tits gone?
I cannot wait for round one. Oh no. You're done. I think I'm done.
Being nice to you.
Welcome to London, motherfucker. I'm here. KSI about to fucking disappear. Bitch, I warned you. But Simon dick up in your ear. You're chilling with dudes cause you're a woman's worst nightmare. This hit harder than a pistol. When I'm done with you, you won't have that much to live for. You'll be on the streets, here's some change, take a nickel. People rolling up to you asking,
How much would you suck dick for?
bitch,